What if your crypto could work for you while you sleep? In 2026, passive income isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful ways to grow your portfolio, staking within the tokens ecosystem. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your idle tokens into a consistent stream of rewards using a simple step by step process. We've been tracking the TX ecosystem's growth all through 2026, and the DeFi opportunities here are unmatched. What is staking in the TX ecosystem? Before we click any buttons, let's understand the why. Staking is essentially committing your tokens to support the network's security and operations. In exchange for locking up your tokens, the TX ecosystem rewards you with additional tokens. It's like earning interest on a high-yield savings account but powered by blockchain. This is the cornerstone of modern DeFi, allowing you to grow your holdings without having to constantly trade the volatile market. Step 1. Setting up your wallet. First, ensure you have a compatible wallet that supports the tokens ecosystem. If you haven't set one up, head over to tokens.fi for our recommended wallet guide. Once your wallet is installed, transfer your TX tokens into it. Make sure you've backed up your seed phrase. Remember, in DeFi, you are your own bank. Double check your balance to ensure your tokens have arrived and are ready to be put to work. Step 2. Connecting and staking. Now, navigate to the official staking portal of the TX ecosystem. Look for the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Once connected, you'll see your available balance. Select the amount you wish to stake. You can choose to stake a small portion or go all in for maximum yield. Review the staking period and the expected APR for 2026. Once you're happy with the terms, hit Confirm and sign the transaction in your wallet, managing your rewards and risks. Now that you're staking, you can track your rewards in real time. You'll notice your balance increasing as the network distributes rewards. Keep in mind that some staking options have unbonding periods. This means it might take a few days to get your tokens back if you decide to unstake. For more advanced strategies on maximizing your yield, definitely check out the deep dive articles over at coherencedaddy.com. We've covered what staking is and why it's essential in the TX ecosystem. We walked through setting up your wallet and confirming your first stake. We discussed how to manage your rewards for long-term growth. Staking is the smartest way to move from being a passive holder to an active participant in the future of blockchain. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button to join the tokens.fye community. Smash the like button if you're bullish on the tokens ecosystem in 2026. Drop a comment below. Are you staking for the long term or just testing the waters?